My job is torturing people. I like it. They deserve it. And if they're good enough, they get set free. That's it.
My job is unimportant.
She's a psychiatrist. How we met? Well, what can I say really? She was my victim.
Victim?
Yeah. I had her on my little killing machine, and she showed no fear. She's the first person that didn't show any fear. None. I love her. I let her free. It was so boring for me. She just sat there and did nothing, said nothing. She didn't panic or anything. And what sucked is she got out. She got out. And then we just met up for dinner one day and hit things off. You can call me Jigsaw, I suppose, but that's a side name. That's a nickname. My name's Danny. Danny Jr.
Sylvia.
What kind of name is that? What the? Sylvia. I've talked to you about this. We got children. What?
Oh, our child's Chucky. Yes, no one knew about this.
That kid's a riot.
I taught him well.
You ain't killed no one. You ain't killed no one.
I said I taught him well.
He killing people. I'm gonna taught him. She was never there for the kid.
Who taught him to not care about crap? Who taught him to go in the kitchen and grab the knife? Huh? It wasn't you. You're too scared to show up in person. You had to be on a computer screen.
It's a TV.
Yeah.
It's a TV.
You wish you could afford the TV.
She never watched my movies. What kind of worthless wife are you?
Do you want a haircut, Jason?
My luscious locks
will be gone. I keep telling him to get a haircut. You listen?
Alright, enough, lady.
Chucky wasn't an accident, but he wasn't planned.
I know, he was an accident. Anyway, my job is torturing people. See, they deserve it though. They deserve it. They deserve it. And sometimes they make it out alive, but usually they don't.
Okay, so we met because I was his victim. I think you would like to explain the rest, wouldn't you, Danny?
Alright, this is what happened. This is how it went down. She was my victim. And she didn't do nothing. She didn't struggle. She didn't panic. She didn't do nothing. I was so angry. So I just let her free. Forget it. That was no fun for me. So I let her free. And we went out to dinner and hit things off from there.
Okay, so what's it like living with Jigsaw? Well, he's a little violent, but we seem to like it. I know, we sometimes work together. I go grab the victim, find a way to get them in. He turns on the TV, too scared. Sometimes I'll pop in. He's my favorite too. Thinks they're happy.
Yeah, but what's it like living with her? Can we talk HE double hockey stick? Dang! This girl never get out of my business. I could be leaving the house and she'd just be like, Jigsaw, get your butt back here. And then sometimes she uses this against me. She cut off my hair before. Just because I left her for one night. I tell you, that was my mom. So you know what I did? You know what I did? I called them Pow-Pow. And they took me to jail. Cause I'm a puppet face.
Or it could be because you killed millions of people.
What do they know?
In the night I hear him talk the cold